Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Stripe checkout step by step clearly. Click on the Start Now or Sign Up button at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, sign in with your existing credentials. For new users, fill out the required fields to create a new account. Once your account is created, you will be directed to the Stripe dashboard. From the dashboard, locate and click on the Developers tab in the menu. In the drop-down, select API keys to access your authentication keys. Make sure to copy your publishable key and secret key for later use. Next, navigate to the Products section in the sidebar. Click on Add Product to create a new product for your Stripe checkout. Fill in the product details, including name, description, and pricing. Once the product details are complete, save the changes. Now, go to the Checkout section in the sidebar menu. Click on Create a new checkout session to start the setup. Select the product you just created from the list. Customize your checkout settings, such as payment methods and success URL. After configuring the session, click on the Create Checkout Session button. Stripe will generate a session ID for you. Make note of this session ID, as you will need it to create the checkout link. Now, implement the checkout link in your website or application code. Test the integration by making a test transaction. Once satisfied, you can start using Stripe Checkout for real transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.